Hello, guys. Okay, so it's time to begin the section. I'm thinking we got four members. The ideas could be spread by low number of person. Even they have so much of stuffs in their head. So yeah, if you have any question, if you have any comments too, okay, you can also unmute yourself and you can ask while I'm taking the section. Or else, so it's so hard to when you finish the section, it's so hard to raise questions. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can raise the hands and ask the question about clear doubts. And yeah, after clearing all your things, only I can end up my section. So yeah, I'm ready to begin now. Yeah, just a second. Hi, Vignesh, Gautam, and Harshmit. Yeah, man. So you can also unmute yourself and you can raise question while I'm taking the classes. That would be soon good for interacting. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
boss.
sir. Thank you, sir. Audience participants, if you have any doubt, please unmute yourself and ask directly. There is no issue or no language barrier. You can ask Tamil or else, you can ask English also. And if you don't want to turn on your mic, please put your questions in chat box. So it will be easy for us to identify the questions. Yeah, I hope you all enjoy this session. And now we are going to start the session with host permission. Sir, can we start, sir?
Yeah, sir. Yes, I can we start. So yeah,
Super, sir.
sir.
I
Yeah,
still send a reminding message to all. So participants still coming. So we just start and continue, sir.
yeah, sir. Sir, நீங்க கூட unmuteல இருங்க. வேணா நடந்த நடுவில் வச்சு clarity வேணா நீங்க சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா?
Sure, sure, sir. I'm
Yeah,
waiting.
yeah, yes, sir. So I'm starting now. Yeah, 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 friends, and yeah. So don't feel worried. It was very dark night now. I'm in Pondicherry and we're just traveling. I'm in middle and I'm taking the section with you. And I need to go at 7 o'clock. I have my bus on 7:30. So yeah, don't waste your time and get started with the interaction of augmented reality. Yeah, friends. If you have any questions or comments, you can raise the hands. Even you can make some messages in chat box. Whatever question you have, just ask freely. That won't be so weird and that's not so annoyed with me. Ask the question freely. I clear the doubts and clarify with the ideas. And yeah, I feel sure that I don't waste your data speed and I don't waste your mobile data as for now. And I am say that it would be valid uh, performance with me and stay tuned with me. And yeah, we're gonna start now. So yeah, augmented reality. First of all, many people doesn't have idea about what called augmented reality. It's some more situations. Even I can say in a basic way, it's some okay. We have some environment and we have so much of objects. We have so much of things with us, and we are portraying in computer, and we are making some more graphics and designing. And after making all those things, we are add, add some situation, add some objectives, and afterwards it can turn into augmented reality. Just like the input which we are giving to change the thing in the right way for our comfortable sake and making it like a argumentation. So yeah, so it's like a weird topic, and yeah, you can understand if you follow me for 45 minutes. Just like I'm saying in two words, augmented reality means the thing which you like, you can make the thing which you want. Yeah, so yeah, let's start up with the cope up with the section. Yeah, so in this section, we are going to say about this kind of things. First of all, augmented reality market. So, okay, first of all, we know virtual reality is some more like it's used for games, and mixed reality is used for making robotics activities and all those things. And what is called augmented reality and what is called augmented reality market. So you can see some images on the left that portray like the person who are seeing the world of augmented reality with his eyes with that called HoloLens and glasses. As for now, we know in our India, GeoMart has making his business on augmented reality. Even when you have the site on GeoMart, you can go and you can also have augmented reality vision, and he can use that augmented reality product, and even he can uh, rotate the product, even he can feel the product in your hand. That kind of structures would be provided by augmented reality. Yeah, so what I'm speaking is audible to you. If you have any clarification, raise your hand, or even you can comment me on the chat box, and I can reply you as soon as possible, man. And second at all, we are talking about augmented reality versus virtual reality. What is the difference between those things? Augmented reality. So in a simple language, augmented reality is going through the present. Virtual reality is going through our future aspects, and we are thinking, okay, we need to make things like that. We have to change like that. But in augmented reality, we doesn't change at all. We have make some more changes in augmented reality, and we are making this section. First of all, Sampath, it's not ma'am. It's a person, a single person, a bachelor. Don't be mistake. It's not a woman. It's a male. Yeah, a bachelor male. It's so tough to be a bachelor man. Yeah. So jokes apart, and I'm continuing with my section. And hey, it's not like that for telling sorry at all. It just yeah, Vidya பொண்ணா பையனா தெரியலையே. There is no, நான் தமிழ் இங்கிலீஷ் என்ன மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி சொல்றேன், because so much of people doesn't understand the thing which I say in Tamil so far. அதுக்காக தான் நான் சொல்றேன் மேம் உங்களுக்கும் சேர்த்து. So augmented reality devices. So yeah, we have so much of devices in market now for using augmented reality. And நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா, விஷன் கிளாஸஸ் இருக்கு, அப்புறமா ஹோலர் லென்சஸ் இருக்கு. அதுல எல்லாமே நீங்க வந்து ஒரு விஷயம் நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப yeah, Harshmit. Yeah, Harshmit, I'm trying to speak in both Tamil and English. It's like Tanglish. The thing I can even portray with you in English as well as Tamil, man. Don't worry at all. You can understand.
Hi Shiva, this is Vidya speaking. I can
Yeah,
understand English also, but I just asked you to explain Tamil just because I'm not sure about the topic. So I thought it would be good and if you teach me in Tamil, but no problem. If someone is not okay with Tamil, I'm okay to cooperate with you in English. No problem. You can go ahead in English. I can follow you.
yeah, ma'am. That's not a problem because so much people doesn't understand the clear idea in English. So I can even cope up with Tamil and English. That's no problem, ma'am. I can make the choice. So and yeah, augmented reality devices. We have so much of devices like hologram lenses and solargraphic glasses and solargraphic devices. We have so much of devices in the market to understand the concept called augmented reality. And the glasses நீங்க வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் தெரியும். It's like a third world. உங்களுக்கு வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நிறைய ஃபீல் நீங்க பண்ணலாம். Okay, நம்ம வேர்ல்டு நம்ம இந்த டைப் ஆஃப் வியூவில் கூட பார்க்கலாமா. We can also see the world in the third space and third view. So in Tamil, we can say that Kalpanikum Anjiyadu, sorry, Minjiyadu. Those kind of things are very common in augmented reality, and we are just moving for the fourth topic called augmented reality technologies and platform. So as for now, in India, augmented reality technologies is not at all developing so far because we are still cope up with virtual reality, and we are going and moving the space or moving the way towards only virtual reality. And augmented reality is a much more better topic than virtual reality, but people doesn't understand the clear idea of it. Okay, if we can understand the basic idea in my section, that will be so good for me. And yeah, man. And moving for fifth point called feeling and sensing. Feeling, yeah, yeah. As a teenagers, we have so much of feeling, and we have so much of senses. What we feel, it's called a sense, and what we sense, it's called a feel, right? And yeah, we have feeling and sensing. In augmented reality, if we can feel the world in holographic glasses, you can think even more better. Okay, what a world is it? It's looking really great than my normal world. I'm seeing so much of things in my sense. I am seeing the thing which I like. All those things you can feel in augmented reality. And the sixth point is augmented reality application examples. Application examples means that comes by the people who can use these devices, and they can even feel okay, augmented reality was useful for mankind in this kind of ways, and they have give some suggestion, and we can move on at a normal speed, because it's a new topic. It's like a new thing to understand. So I'm not at all going at a um, yeah, very speed way. And yeah, I'm moving for the next one. And yeah, what is called augmented reality? Okay, you have two photos here, right and left. Okay, you can clearly understand the right photo is called the normal photo, which doesn't alter, which doesn't design. It's like a normal thing. It's a road, and the people are just making their way for the offices, and they are kept moving. And it's called augmented reality world. You can make okay, you can even change the design, or you can even change this road size. நீங்க எல்லாமே பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு clear-ஆ தெரியும். நிறைய சேஞ்சஸ் வந்து இப்போ நீங்களே பண்ண முடியும். உங்களுக்கு எது இஷ்டமோ ஓகே, நீங்க வந்து அவங்க ஒரு பீப்புள்ஸ் வந்து வாக் பண்ற மாதிரியோ நிறைய டிஸ்டன்ஸ் நீங்களே கொண்டு வரலாம். ஸோ வி ஹேவ் சோ மச் ஆஃப் டிசைனிங் டூல்ஸ், அண்ட் வி ஹேவ் சோ மச் ஆஃப் software platforms to understand augmented reality, and we make the way augmented reality um, in a real world in forthcoming years. And wish that it's augmented reality is came as a degree, and it will be like a boom in technology field. And yeah, it's gonna be developed soon. Yeah, sorry man. It's like yeah, sorry for that. Yeah man, so yeah,
Hello, sir. Okay. Participants, please kindly stay with us. There is some network issue. No problem. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
yeah, சார் கேக்குது சார், கொஞ்சம் டீபக் ஆயிட்டு அதனால தான் பின்னாடி போயிட்டு. I can
Okay,
even
sir.
continue, sir.
Sure, sir. Sorry, participants. Now we can continue. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. So sorry friends, it's my trouble. I'm yeah, Schmidt, I feel the thing. I'm on out now. So much a person is calling and disturbing me, and they're making the way with that. And yeah, yes, system have three characteristics. First of all, it's compared your idea and your thought. Okay, don't be in so much of technical language. It's like you have some idea in your mind. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா தோணும். அந்த ஐடியாவோடய இப்போ உங்களோட நார்மல் லைஃப் உதயம் நீங்க வந்து மிங்கிள் பண்ணுற திங் தான் ஆகுமெண்டட் ரியாலிட்டி. And second of all, we can make it interactive in real time. You can even feel the thing in augmented reality, what you feel in your heart, just like உங்க ட்ரீம்ல வந்து some இப்போ ஒரு லவ் ஸ்டோரி சம்திங் நடந்திருக்கலாம். அந்த லவ் ஸ்டோரி வந்து நீங்க ரியல் டைம்ல ஃபீல் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு ஹாப்பினஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? யா த சேம் திங் விச் ஐ ஃபீல் இன் மை ஹார்ட் அட் அட் தட் நைட். அதே மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு இன்டராக்டிவ்
So can you repeat?
Yeah, Schmidt. Yeah, and the
Sir,
third one
can
is
you repeat one time, sir? Sir, HD connection lost sugar. Sir, HD connection lost problem.
Yeah, so you can I need to explain about first, second, and third. Okay, so I'm making the way from first. Okay, we have three following characteristic of AI. First of all, it's like combining real and virtual objects. You have some objects in your mind, you have some ideas on your mind. So that's like making these two ideas into a single one. That's called augmented reality. It's so interactive to make the thing in a real way. And the third point is we register real and virtual objects with each other. Which I mean, you can even think that idea which you have in your mind. Virtual objects means the idea which you put in present. So when you make those two things into a single thing, so we can get the thing called augmented reality. Suppose the people feel the language which I speak is not comfortable, you can even message me or chat box. We have options. Tamil வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன், டைப் பண்றேன். Sorry if I make any trouble for you friends. Yeah, I'm moving for the next slide. Okay, first of all, okay, all about augmentation. What's called augmentation? So first of all, people doesn't have idea about what's called augmentation. So when you have any idea about augmentation, then we can move for the augmented reality. So okay, I'm just reading lines. Augmented reality is a lived it's a live, direct, or indirect view of physical and world environment whose elements are augmented by supplemented by GPS data. So if you have any GPS technology connected with your phone, with your computer system, even you can access the augmented reality in your real terms. So we have so much of apps in Play Store like AR View, and we have Blender 3D. The person who streamed that computer application, they have idea about Blender. Even you can use the Blender 3D for making the augmented reality objects in a free way. Yeah, the thing which you have to know is .NET coding and Python. So yeah, I am referring my friends, if you have any free time, if you have any skills to build your resume so far, so you can even try Python and .NET, all those programming languages. Either I'm a BCom student, I'm working in a software firm now in Magenza. So there is no difference between the arts and the computer application. The thing which speaks about you is your skill. What the skill you have in your dilemma, the skill would let you go for your future profits. Yeah, it's not like a philosophy. Follow your heart, man. And yeah, augmented reality. It's also make sense in sports scores or TV during a match. Yeah, it's IPL season. I make some ideas on it. We have score. It's yeah, it's pandemic now, so we does not have any sports scores now. When you take at last IPL, we have big banners, a big posters wall. That's a moves on augmented reality. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், ஒரு சிக்ஸ் அடிச்சாலோ ஒரு ஃபோர் வந்து போனாலோ வந்து லைக் சேர் லீடர்ஸை பார்க்காதீங்க. அங்க போர்டில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு டிசைனிங் வியூவில் வந்து அந்த அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை காட்டுவாங்க. That's called augmented reality, and yeah, that was a good example which we follow on sports about augmented reality. Okay, these slides are like an economic point of view. These slides are called some diminishing marginal utility. Those slides doesn't need to understand now because it's like too much thing. It's like a barrier. Yeah, friends. So yeah, it's still loading now. It's taking nearly a minute. If you have any doubt or you need any clarification about augmented reality, you can raise the question now. I am ready to answer your questions now, friends. If you have any questions or queries, make me a message or unmute yourself and make me a good conversation. Yeah, Vignesh, support for augmented reality, you have to learn .NET and Python. If you're even interested to learn more languages, you can even go for the C++ program. Yeah, Harshmeet, the tool which we need for augmented reality is, first of all, you need to learn 2 or 3 coding languages. First of all, you know SQL, structured query language. Yeah, Python is very comfortable, ma'am. So you can design the web serving through Python. In augmented reality, you have a structure. Oh yeah, SQL, super structured query language. You can even make the server with SQL and make those things in a real life in Python. You can even code and you can even make the objects to stand and steady and dance. Whatever you need, you have to program in Python and you have to make this decoding in SQL, and at last you have to make in what that's called .NET. When you make in those 3 languages, it would be like, okay, that's called augmented reality. You can even get the clear view of structure in augmented reality, man. So yeah, if you have any queries, yeah, it's not, yeah, it's okay. That's not a problem being a little or too large. Being a little means okay. The person who doesn't have any ideas in augmented reality also he can make the sense and he can achieve in augmented reality. The only thing is you have to need some idea. Okay, I'm portraying this thing into that kind of way. The idea which you have in your heart, that speaks more than the programming languages, more than your skills and technical views and much more things. Have a clear idea, and with that idea, what you can make some changes in augmented reality, and afterwards, when your idea is completed, your work will be begin. So make an idea and prepare the languages which you have to learn. Make sure to learn Python, SQL, and .NET. Yeah, if you have any queries, you can also contact me. I can share your WhatsApp number after the meeting. We can also travel together, man. Don't worry for the struggles which you are facing now. I would be your well wisher, man. And okay, if you have any doubts, man, you can also ask now. And we are moving for next topic called virtual reality. Okay, any questions or anything to say? Okay, there's no question now. We are, yeah, man, thank you. I'm just waiting for this comment. Okay, augmented reality is much more different than virtual reality. Virtual reality is the thing which we have the idea with us and we are portraying the idea into the future thing. Okay, yeah, so if you can look this photo, even you can even understand in a clear way. We have sea over the left. We have some more palaces above the sea level. So when you look this thing, I can even feel miserable. What is called virtual reality? Virtual reality is the thing which you have to make in a computer graphics. You are making the thing in a computer graphics and portraying into a reality way. That's called virtual reality. And yeah, I'm moving in a slide. You can even understand better. I'm moving in a slide, man. Yeah. In virtual reality, we have SLAM, SLAM. SLAM means it doesn't come under WWE or much more things. Simultaneous localization and mapping. Yeah. First of all, what is SLAM? SLAM is called, we are using GPS technology in our mobile phones now. The GPS technology helps you to identify the routes and direction which you need to go, and all those things would be helpful by GPS to understand. It's like in SLAM, is the thing which you are portraying into the reality way by virtual reality and augmented reality. That's like 360 degree of view, like everybody will is the Mr. 360. In augmented reality and virtual reality, SLAM, it's very useful to portray in 360 degree circumstances and circumference or length and into breadth. All those things that comes at a 360. Even you can portray the full world in a single augmented reality platform or single augmented reality view. But you have to learn the thing what you need to make those things happen in the real world. And yeah, man. So and that's called SLAM. SLAM in a simple way, SLAM must be called as the thing which you are portraying in 360 degree with the help of augmented reality and virtual reality and mixed reality. And I'm moving for the next slide. It's yeah, we have nearly 15 minutes to go. I have a bus at 7 o'clock. I'm preparing for my traveling. Yeah, friends, the section would be end at 7 or 7:30. I have doesn't idea if any person call me to go, even I can finish the section and I can even leave. So I'm very sorry for those things which happening today. And yeah, just a second is like SLAM and what is called the features, and we have so much of things to learn about SLAM. Any person from computer application here? Any person who has idea about AI? Yeah, make a question or make a comment. Any person from BCA or BSc augmented reality? BEC. That's so different from what I asked, man. Yeah. Yeah, to learn and say. Oh, diploma in CAC. In CAC, computer software engineering, you have some ideas on augmented reality. Hello. Yeah, that's not connected. Okay, Ashmit, you can even understand better on this slide what is called AR and VR. Human intelligence and yeah, man. If you know little also, even if you're interested, you can search through browsers, and you can also watch sections on Udemy and edX. Even you can make your skills into a right way. We are human intelligence and information training. Okay, it's not clear like a font. I'm just making the thing which it said. Human intelligence and integration training means if we have the clone, yeah, all person know about what is called cloning. Cloning is the thing which is a duplicate of us. We are making duplication of our object and making the person into a negative one and making as a clone. You can also make the clone. You can also make a unknown person by augmented reality, like a structure which would be visible through the holographic glasses. You have so much of things to understand augmented reality, like cloning, real-time training. So you can also train the robots, or you can also train the cloning person to understand what is called augmented reality and virtual reality. It's like a developing field now. It can also make your, yeah, I'm sorry to say that, you can also make your slave, or you can also make the person who need to help you. You can also program the person, and it would be helpful for all elder people to understand and to communicate, and also to come over depression and aloneness, loneliness. Okay, man. Okay, it's a very important topic. What I need to say, holographic glasses. Yeah, I know that the person from BCA side, CAC, they have idea on holographic glasses. Oh, holographic glasses, yeah, man. That's like an addition, man. If you can use the holographic glasses for 10 to 15 seconds, you can imagine the world into your third view. That's like, oh, I'm in, I'm not in my world, I'm in Mars or Saturn. You can feel that kind of thing. So holographic glasses is on market now, a cheap rate for 5,000 we have at Amazon. And but you have to program and that holographic glasses, and you need to make the thing. So then only you can feel the sense of augmented reality with that holographic glasses. Uh, yeah, some server problem and it's not loading. Wait a minute. If you have any questions or any doubt on holographic glasses, you can ask now. And yes, we have so much a person, but all left by time being. I'm very happy for my friends who stay now with me for my conversation. If you have any ideas, if you have any queries or clarification with holographic glasses, you can ask now. It's take a little bit of loading. You can use this time to make your doubt into clarification. Yeah, Schmidt, we can do cloning on real time. First of all, you have to buy these holographic glasses. Yeah, you can make object. You can make even in a 3D way the thing which you need. For all those for holographic thing, you need a holographic glass and programming skill to make the holographic sense into augmented reality. So okay, let's enter into holography. Holography is a technique that enables a light field. It's like any person who is suffering from eye defect, they can wear a power glass. In the power glass, they can see the world into the into a normal view. So when they are suffering from eye defect, they can even solve by holographic glasses. It's like a science fact. So holographic glasses help you to make the vision in augmented reality. If you can see with the holographic glasses, and if you program the holographic glasses, you can see the augmented reality world with your eyes, and it's sort of like the miserable thing which you feel. If you have time, search about holographic glasses and make some information about it. I can feel like okay, we are missing those kind of fun in our life, those kind of entertainment in our life. Make sense about holographic glasses and augmented reality, man. So move towards the difference between photographic and holographic. Photography is like like when you use the camera, you make a photo and make the thing as photography. But when you use that holographic glasses and see the world into a longer view by using the augmentation reality, that's called holographic. The difference between holographic and photography is holography used by augmented reality. Photography is used by our normal DSLR camera or Nikon or whatever camera brand we have. It's like a normal world. Photography is a normal world. Yeah. That we have the section in photography. As soon I'm developed, I can make even the section into holographic glasses, and you can also have 3D views, animations, and all those things. The person who talks about augmented reality, he can sense and feel what thing is going on with us, and he can, as a clone, he can deliver the thing what I'm saying in words. Like it will be happen soon. Yeah, stay contact with me. I can make those things uh, as soon as possible. I make those things within 1 or 2 years. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. And yeah, we are going to see the difference between those things. Okay, so difference between the holographic and photographic. Uh, yeah, as I said before, holographic is like recording of information regarding the light. We have some light source in our mind, and we are making the light source by programming and structuring and making the thing into a abnormal way, and that's called holographic. The photographic, the thing which I show in my phone now, it's like the object which I'm using my phone camera to make presence to you. It's called photographic. And Google Glass travel guide. Yeah, it's like a holographic glass. Google is providing Google Glass now for 8,000 INR. You can also order from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and Myntra, whatever site you have visited. Google Glass provide you the augmented reality with no programming code enough, no software. Doesn't need to elaborate all those things. So when you buy Google Glass, you can also view the world as the structure. So when you wear the Google Glass, you have option like see the world in 3D view. So when you can switch the thing, you can see the world in 3D view. Like you have towers, you have so much of buildings near you. You can see the buildings in uh, smarter and brighter way. Like the building would fill on both sides like a slideshow. When you have noticed PowerPoint slideshow, right? That PowerPoint slideshow have so much of animation and so much of designs. So when you wear that Google glasses, you can make the world like in a colorful view, normal than the normal world. And yeah, it's available in all platforms. So if you have time or make sense of Google glasses and how it works and what the technology behind that, and simultaneous localization and mapping, we just said before that. Um, Yeah, man. So yeah, it's server problem now. It's not loading. Yeah, I think that the section would be end by now. It would be so good. I have to travel at 7 o'clock. I need to go for 7. It's 6:45 now, man. If you have any doubts or you need any clarification with the past 30 minutes of the conversation, you can ask now. If I make any trouble with my language or if I can make any trouble with my technical skills, I feel so bad for that. Yeah, I have no idea to present now at 6 o'clock. I just came at 5:30 and yeah, I made my preparation for 15 minutes and I'm making now. Yeah, man, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Just a 5 minutes to clarify all those things. I'm waiting, man. I ask you a doubt and clarify with your ideas. Yeah, I mean, Ashmit, I can send you the PPT. You can save your number through message. I can even save your number, man. அம்மா வரேம்மா வர முடிஞ்சிடுச்சுமா 1 minute. Yeah, Ashmit, my mom is calling. Yeah, just a second, man. Yeah, just a second. Ashmit, I can send you a number once again. It's gone. Yeah, Schmidt. After the session ends, I can share the link through WhatsApp or email, whichever is possible for you. And yeah, you have any other queries? Okay.
எஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இல்லை கொரிஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாகவே அன்மியூட் பண்ணி கேட்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா சேட் பண்ணி கூட கேட்கலனாலும் கேட்கலாம். யா, தேங்க்யூ.
Yeah, friends. Yeah, thank you for uh, delivering the discernible time with me. Even I think I'm not performed so good now because I have so much troubles in my mind. Yeah, I'm not so clear with my idea which I spoke now. Yeah, for coming sections, even we can make it as a good section and make the section into a real good way. It's like mini augmented reality. Yeah, I can finish the section with those lines. Mini augmented reality. So when you are traveling in the car, you can visit so much of objects with your eyes at the right and left. You can also make that objects in augmented reality by your glasses, by the holographic glasses. So when you wear the glasses, you can see the objects in a 3D way, like a game. So when you are making your way into a game, you can also see so much of graphics, so much of uh, the person who traveling with you, like a clone and all those things. You have make those sensible with mini augmented reality. So have a time, make a Google on augmented reality. You can even find better what I speak to you. That was a wonderful topic. That was the thing which is developing now. Yeah, see like a game at last. mm, yeah, man. So have a good time and make many understandings about augmented reality, make a wave pathway for future in technology, because technology only stands now. In Corona, we have COVID, all the things we are facing now. So only thing which stays with us in phone and computer system and that phone. That's it. There is nothing other better one by technology. So when you have stay with the technology, you can even find very strong with your sense of attitude. Yeah, learn more things and learn the thing which need for our future aspects. Don't waste your time and don't feel okay. I'm studying BCom. Why I need to go for programming or like technical skills. I'm studying law. I'm studying engineering. That's not thing like that. So whatever graduation you are, whatever thing you are, but you have to make the one pathway for technology because it stands forever. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or any queries, you can ask last 2 or 3 minutes. If you have make any trouble for you, I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, last 2 minutes. Yeah, thank you, Ashmit, for your interactive conversation. I'm willing a person like you to have the good conversation to understand and clarify your doubts. So thank you, Harshmit. And yeah, thank you, Shogun
ஓகே.
Devaraj. Yeah,
சார் சார்
சொல்லுங்கண்ணா.
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார், ரியலி தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் திஸ் ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் செஷன் சார். எங்களுக்கு நிஜமாலே வந்து ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. ஸோ ரொம்ப நல்லா தெளிவாக புரிஞ்சதும் கூட. ஸோ ரியலி தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் தட். அண்ட் ஐ விஷ் யூ வில் சென்ட் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் டு சாட் பாக்ஸ். ஸோ இட் வில் யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் அவர் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்.
இப்போ நம்ம குரூப்ல ஷேர் பண்ணிடலாமா? நீங்க அப்படியே ஷேர் பண்ணிடுறீங்களா?
ஷூர் சார், தென் ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். Thank you, participants. You're still staying here. It's a wonderful for us. If you want to ask any questions, you can ask now, or we can end this session by now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sabresh. Thank you, Vignesh bro. Shobana, thank you. And yeah, thank you, friends.
Okay,
Stay
sir.
tuned.
I think I'm not a host in this session, so you can leave yourself, friends, because I can't end this session now.
Yeah, bro. நீங்களும் உடம்பு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Thank you for your wonderful opportunity, bro. பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, participants, I can't end this session, and our session is over. So you can't, you will leave this session now. Yeah, thank you. Hello, Sobana Devraj. So the session is over, so you can leave this session now. Thank you.